Heavy metals in drinking water. What you need to know. There's a lot of talk nowadays about heavy metals, and for good reason. Their prevalence in our environment has demonstrably increased, especially in the last few years, with higher amounts being detected in soil and water. But what are they, and why should we be concerned? Heavy metals are naturally occurring elements that have a high atomic weight and a density at least 5 times greater than water. While some, such as zinc and iron, are essential for biological functions in trace amounts, others can be toxic even at low concentrations. 4 common heavy metals found in drinking water include lead, which leaches from old pipes and plumbing fixtures, leading to neurological and developmental issues, especially in children, and arsenic, a naturally occurring contaminant in groundwater associated with cancer, skin lesions, and cardiovascular diseases. Also mercury, a byproduct of industrial waste and mining, harmful to the nervous system and kidneys. Also cadmium, found in industrial discharge and some fertilizers, linked to kidney damage and bone demineralization. As concern over heavy metals in water supplies rises, so too does awareness of their health risks. We will explore the dangers of heavy metals in drinking water, highlight effective water purification solutions, and provide a proven solution to cleanse the body of them. How do heavy metals enter our water? Heavy metals can be dangerous to human health due to their toxicity and ability to accumulate in the body over time. They enter water supplies through various means, including industrial pollution. Factories and mining operations discharge metals such as mercury and lead into water sources. Also agricultural runoff. Pesticides and fertilizers contribute to arsenic and cadmium contamination. Additionally, old plumbing systems. Lead pipes and corroded plumbing release heavy metals directly into drinking water. Natural geologic deposits are also a source. Some groundwater sources contain naturally high levels of arsenic and other metals. Given these sources, addressing heavy metal contamination is crucial for protecting public health. Health risks associated with heavy metals in water. Exposure to heavy metals in drinking water has been linked to various serious health conditions, including neurological damage. Lead exposure, particularly in children, can result in developmental delays, cognitive impairment, and behavioral issues. Also, kidney and liver toxicity. Mercury and cadmium can damage kidney function and contribute to liver disease. Additionally, increased cancer risk. Long-term exposure to arsenic has been strongly linked to skin, lung, and bladder cancers. Lastly, developmental and reproductive issues, because heavy metals can disrupt endocrine function and harm fetal development. How to identify heavy metals in drinking water. Detecting heavy metals in water requires proper testing. Common methods include water testing kits. Available for home use, these kits provide an initial assessment of contamination levels. Also, lab analysis. More precise results can be obtained through professional testing services. Signs of contamination. A metallic taste, discoloration, and staining on fixtures can indicate heavy metal presence. Routine testing is critical in areas with aging infrastructure or a history of industrial pollution. Water purification solutions for removing heavy metals. Several methods can be used, including reverse osmosis, a highly effective system that removes most contaminants, including lead and arsenic. Or advanced carbon filters. They're good for reducing some heavy metals, but not as effective as reverse osmosis. Distillation systems boil water, gathering the steam to remove impurities, leaving contaminants behind. Ion exchange filters work well for lead and cadmium removal. Regulatory measures and safety standards. Governments have set safety standards for heavy metals in drinking water. In the U.S., the Environmental Protection Agency, also known as the EPA, regulates contaminant levels. Lead's maximum contaminant level goal is 0 parts per billion, so any presence is considered unsafe. Arsenic is also at 0 parts per billion, with an enforceable limit at 10 parts per billion. Mercury is at 2 parts per billion, and cadmium is at 5 parts per billion. Despite these regulations, contamination still occurs, making household filtration critical. At Human Consciousness Support, we believe that access to clean water is a fundamental right. While making every effort to reduce exposure, capturing the inevitable accumulation within the body is a final crucial step. MasterPeace is a simple 10-second-a-day method to safely rid the body of these toxins that cause imbalances. Finally, there is a proven solution to this ever-growing real concern. See masterpeace.health for more information and get a referral code from the person who sent you this video to get a discount on our shop page.